Hey babies, welcome back to my channel. If you guys missed the original video, definitely make sure to check that out where I show you how to actually make the flip over wig. But here is my leave out. So I have my anchor braid going all the way around my head, which yes, I did braid myself. And then I have my 3 little chunky braids in the middle, and my leave out across the front. So my hair was actually dirty when I did this, which I need to stop doing that. I really do. But nevertheless, here is the wig, and I am just showing you kind of the elastic band here. I did go ahead and tighten it, and I'm literally just putting it on and placing it right over that anchor braid. And you guys will see, if you want, you can sew it down, totally up to you. In this case, I will not be doing that, especially because of the length of it. It's really short, compact, so it should not be moving too much on my head. And the cap that I use actually snugs it really tight, so you shouldn't have to do too much to it. All that I'm going to be doing here is just applying a couple of bobby pins around the actual wig to hold it in place. So you guys can see that. You can use the bobby pins that have the little wave to it or not, whatever you feel comfortable with. I know sometimes they can kind of hurt a little bit. So definitely make sure to keep that in mind. If sewing it is easier, definitely get someone to help you if you are not able to do that. But if you sewed this wig, you should be able to sew this around your perimeter. So boom, there is that. So I'm just sticking these in. And the hair is extremely soft, you guys. It actually ended up being a lot softer than what I initially thought. When I got the hair out of the packaging, it was soft, but it was kind of like that. It felt like it had a film to it. Once I actually kind of detangled everything, it really softened up and kind of just really showed its true colors. So far so good. It looks really, really nice and natural to me. I don't think I would put any color or anything on this, but this will definitely be one of those flip over wigs that I keep for a while. And you guys can see, you can definitely go ahead and just kind of play with the hair and make it a little bit bigger. I actually still have the hair in. It's been about day 4, so the final style that you guys will see, I do still have in my head, like as I'm recording this. This voiceover at least, and everything still looks good. The hair has just gotten pretty much bigger from this point. So this is what I mean when I said my hair was dirty. You guys see how it kind of has that, like, I don't know, it's like leftover edge control from like another style that I did, but yeah. So as you guys can see, you could definitely kind of blend this back, no problem. My hair was not blending with this because I did not even take the time to appropriately blend it. So I wanted to kind of give you another style just so that you guys have something to work with. But yeah, this is a look at the flip over. If you guys are, or I guess have a similar texture to this will work out perfectly for you. Or if you want to see me, I guess actually match my hair with this, definitely let me know, and I'll just record it in the video to kind of give you an update to show you how to blend 4C hair with this type of texture, okay? So let me know. So I did decide I was going to do a half up, half down, which is interesting because you guys can see I literally have out a little bit less than an inch of space. It might even be an inch of, I guess, leave out here. And so I'm taking some of my edge control, a little bit more, not that I even needed it, just to kind of smooth everything upward. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in a ponytail, which you guys will kind of see through the remaining of the video. And yeah, that was pretty much it, you guys. I absolutely love this style. This is something that I plan on continuously wearing. It's just really carefree. I've been able to kind of just like style my hair like this and go literally every single day. So, and because it's curly and it's a kinky curly, it is going to get bigger, it is going to get more textured, and if you're okay with that, you don't have to worry about doing that whole detangle thing every day and just, you know, it becoming a mess. So nevertheless, I will definitely let you guys finish out this video. Leave any comments or questions down below. I love you guys so much. Stay pretty, and again, all the details will be in my description box. But outside of that, we are all set. Bye, babies.